Hi, it's John from Android Addicts, and I'm just going to show you how you can claim your free pair of Galaxy Buds Plus for anyone who's pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy S20. Now, this isn't always available in every country, so be sure to check before you try and do this that you can actually do this in the first place, because not every country does have this offer going. But what you need to basically do is go into Samsung Members in the App Store here. If you don't have Samsung Members installed for some reason, or you removed it, go into the Galaxy Store and just do a search for Members, and then you can download it and install it from there. So basically go into the app, and when it loads up you will see here in the notices section about claiming your Galaxy Buds Plus. Click on there. And then there's a little link here that says click here to find out how to claim your shiny new Galaxy Buds. Click on there and you'll be taken to the redemption page. Now, mine's just asking me to sign into my Samsung account, so I will do that quickly. Okay, once you have clicked sign in, you'll be presented with the Samsung account information. If you haven't already gone through this during the setup of your phone, I just skipped it, so I'm just going to agree to this. I don't want to sign up to any special offers or anything else. Okay, now I'm just going to verify my phone number. Again, depending on which country you are, select your country or region and pop in your phone number. Okay, so I am now successfully signed into the Samsung Members app. Just going to click on the bell in the top right here. And I'm going to go back to the notice about claiming my Galaxy Buds. And I'm going to click back onto the link here to go through to the redemption page. Now, if you were already pre-signed in, this would have automatically appeared straight away. As I hadn't signed in, that's why I've gone through that process. So here you get to the following page. Now it says here I've got until the 31st of May to actually claim my Galaxy Buds. Step 1, click on the button below. Step 2, complete the form providing the proof of purchase. Now this will be in the email that you received when you pre-ordered the phone, and then you'll receive your Galaxy Buds within 45 days of validation. Now previously it took a lot longer for me to actually get mine because there was such a mass of orders, but that's what it is currently saying here. So once you click on here, it will open the web browser. I'll select my country, just close that notice off. I'm in the UK. And you'll then be asked to confirm these details. So read each statement and confirm you've pre-ordered the qualifying Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G or S20 Plus 5G between the 11th of Feb and 8th of March for from an eligible retailer. So this doesn't include the standard S20, just the Plus or the Ultra, which I have done. I have a digital copy of my proof of purchase ready to upload that clearly shows your pre-order date. I haven't got that yet, so I'm going to have to go and grab that. So what I'm going to do is go to Gmail, find my email, and just get the proof of purchase ready. Okay, so I found the email in my inbox. I had it starred, and this is what I need to send to Samsung to prove that I actually pre-ordered the phone. So what I'm going to do is save this email as a PDF. Now to do that, you can click the menu button in the top right of the screen and then press print. Where it says select printer, click on there and click save as PDF. And just click the little yellow button here to actually download and save that as a PDF. I'll just stick it in my downloads folder here and then click save. Okay, so now that's ready to upload via the Samsung Members app. So I'm going to click on the Switch Apps button here and go back to the internet page that loaded up, and I now can confirm I have a digital copy of my proof of purchase. Read through any terms and conditions that you wish to do, and then click next. Okay, claim type. So please confirm if you're submitting a personal or business claim. This is personal. click Next. There's 8 steps in total here. Please confirm you would like to continue to submit your claim for your new Galaxy device, or if you'd like to be sent an email to finish your claim on another device. So I guess if you prefer typing or doing your upload on a PC, you could send it to another device, but I'm just going to continue on my phone. So I need to get the pre-order date. It was the 17th of Feb. And the retailer here, this is the options I have: Samsung Experience Store, Samsung King's Cross, these are all shops. Well, that's a shop in London at least. Samsung Shop Online. There's plenty of different ones to choose from. I'll just scroll through them all so you can see them all. But the one I'm going to pop in is the Samsung Shop Online. Click Next. Okay, now it's asking to select the model of your phone. So mine is the Ultra 5G, 128GB. Click Add. It's just asking to confirm those details, that's fine. Now please upload a copy of your proof of purchase, example invoice, receipt or order confirmation for your new qualifying purchase. So that's what we saved earlier as a PDF. So the document needs to show the date of the pre-order, the retailer name, logo, qualifying product purchase. So if you have a paper receipt or something, you can just take a photo of it and upload that, but it does need to include all of those details. So the date of pre-order, retailer name and logo, and obviously the phone that you bought. So I'm going to select an image here. Click Allow. And Allow. And then I'm going to go to My Files. Internal storage, download, and I'm going to select my Gmail PDF. Okay, well that's actually decided to try and open the PDF, which I don't want to do. I actually want to select it on the web page. So I'm going to just try that again, choose file. This time I'm going to try using the files in the bottom left here instead of My Files. See if that behaves a bit better. So let's try selecting the PDF and then clicking select. Okay, we've now added the PDF to the page, so I'm going to click Upload. Image successfully uploaded. Click Next. You can upload multiple documents, so if you take a photo and it's going over multiple photos, you can upload multiple images, but I've got mine all in a single PDF. Click on Next. It's now asking for our personal details, so I'm just going to fill that in. Right, once you've filled your address and details in, that is it. The claim has been submitted. So you should get an email within the next 7 days from the team. They'll just check through all the details that you sent them and make sure it's correct. And you can actually track your claim by visiting the Track My Claim page. Here you just pop in the claim ID and your email address and you can track your current state of the order. So bookmark that page if you think you're going to be tracking it regularly. But yeah, it's as simple as that. It takes probably about 10 minutes in total to claim them, and hopefully within 4 to 5 days I should have my nice shiny new Galaxy Buds Plus. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave any comments or questions you have down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future, and until then I will see you in the next one.